this video, we are going to build an Amazon tracker using Node.js. Let's start. So here we have this product Canon camera, which I think probably cannot buy because I don't have money. Anyway, so we are going to track its price. Let's start by making a folder, Amazon tracker. So next thing we are going to do is init -y and yarn add Cheerio and axis to make HTTP request. Let's open it up in VS Code and create a file called app.js or whatever name you want to give it. Let's acquire axis and Cheerio. Okay. Next, we are going to create a function called fetch price, and this function is going to accept product URL. And inside our function, we are going to make a GET request to the URL, product URL, to be specific. Then we are going to load the response in Cheerio. We can put a $sign and load data. Just to test, let's console.log its title.text. Let's check it out if it's working or not. Sorry, it's app.js. Oh, my bad. Sorry about that. Alright. I hope it will work. Okay, it worked. As you can see in the terminal, we get the title, this one right here. Okay, so how we can fetch the price? So the first thing you want to do is to inspect the element and find the ID inside which the price. What we are basically doing is finding the ID of the element of this price number, and which is price block out our price. Very cool name, Amazon. Okay, let's put it here like this. Now let's see if we get the price or not. There we go. We get the price. But as you can see, it's in a different format we are going to extract. I mean, we are going to transform this to a number. And how we're going to do that is first store it in a variable got the price. Okay. Next, we are going to get all the numbers from it because it contained a rupee sign and a comma and a dot. We're going to exclude all those characters. So we are going to use a regular expression to actually extract the numbers from that string. You can do it like this: price list price is equal to got the price dot match backslash digit plus and give it a global flag. Let's console.log the price. Hope we can get the numbers. Oh, there we go. Now we want to exclude the last element because it's the smallest amount of a currency, the last element of the array. So we can do that by, let's store it in a list. Constant price is equal to price list dot, first we're going to price list dot splice from start will be price list dot length -1 up to delete count would be 1. Now let's store. Now what we will get is basically we are going to exclude this element from the array and we will left with 30 and 400, which is 30,400. So we are going to join it like this: number price list dot join like this, and let's console it. Okay, And there we go. We get the number, exact number. 30,400. Let's try it on another product. Like, let's say this one. Copy the URL. You can exclude the rest of these URLs. It's very lengthy. The product URL is basically up to here. Like this. Okay. Put it here. Save it and run it again. Okay. Can anyone tell me why it didn't work? Oh, sorry. Let's check it out. Alright, as you can see, it's a deal price. So we are going to add a validation here. If price list, if is not price, okay, let's store it in lit. Not this one, this one. First, let's console it. So got the price, nothing. That means it's empty string. We can add the validation here. If got the price is not, if it's not got the price, we can first change the let. We want to fetch from another element. Got the price will be hash. Another one. What is that? Price block deal price. Okay. Dot text L. Okay, let's keep it like that. Try it again. I hope it will work. Oh, there we go. So you just want to add another validation. Sorry for that. Validation. So there are basically two elements in here. The first one is price block out our price, and the second one is deal price. Okay, we have added to validation here using if statement. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's pick this one and put in here. I hope it's gonna work. Oh, there we go, 4,399. Exactly the same. All right. So now we can add like product is equal to add all the list in here, and the another one, which is this one. Okay, let's add some beautiful loaders. For that we are going to use I think aura yarn add aura. Okay, let's import it first. So constant. Let's create a spinner. Actually, let's create for every product. Loading dot dot dot, and then we are going to update the spinner with the title. Spinner dot text will be dollar title dot text. Actually, like this. Fetched price for let's try to loop the products. Prod. Okay, let's call it prod. Fetch price and prod. So sorry. Let's try it again. It quite didn't work as expected. Oh, let's see what we can do. It's loading. Mm, dot succeed. Okay. Dot succeed. Let's try it again. All right, there we go. Let's remove this price. And let's substring the title because it's very long. Substring from 0 to maybe, I think 80 would be enough. Dot dot dot. Okay, let's try. All right, there we go. Fetched price for XMate stunt, which is 4399, and PyCannon, which is 30,400. All right. So now what we're gonna do is create a function called track. Okay. This is going to this function is basically going to fetch prices of every product and store it a variable, and after maybe a few minutes it's going to fetch again and match the prices for each for every product, and if it's maybe lower, then it will in the console. If the price changes, you can do anything like you can maybe send a telegram message or maybe discord message or anything like. Let's see what we can do here. So basically we're going to call track again with a timeout of mm, 5 minutes. Okay, 300, 3000. Okay, let's put this here, put this one here, and what we can do is create another one called prices, and from here we actually want to extract, sorry, oh, extract this ID somehow, and we can do it by, let's see, mm, okay, let's fetch. Okay, let's store whole URL. All right, it doesn't matter. Put it at the top. Prices, and here we're gonna put prices. Product URL is equal to price, and while it maps through each product, we are first going to check if prices and product PROD is basically it's just the URL of the product dot prices. If it exists, then if it's gonna check for prices. Not here, sorry. Here. If prices product product URL, then it's gonna check for the price if it has been changed or not. Prices product URL is smaller than price, the current price. No, sorry, if is greater than the current price. Older price is greater than the current price, which means the price of the actual product is lowered. So then it's gonna call some function. I don't know. Let's create a function. Constant some function. Console.log view. Go by now. All right. Price change. It's price change. Okay, the price has been decreased to decreased by actually. Okay, so it's not gonna work for now because mm, because what is this? 503 service unavailable. Okay. Okay, let's copy this. I think it's because of the user agent, but let's try. There we go. Oh, sorry. Oh, my bad. It's 3 seconds. So after it's finished mapping through the products, it's gonna wait for 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes, I think. Calculate it, I don't know. 5 minutes. So it's gonna wait for 5 minutes and then it's gonna wait. What is that? Oh my god, it's milliseconds. One more zero. My bad. It was actually 30 seconds. I think. Alright, there we go. We have our application. So just to test if it will work, if it's working or not, we going to provide a price here. Let's say 100, and we are going to call some function with price, new price. The new price is the new price is new price. Let's see. Okay, just to check, we going to reduce it to 3 seconds. Okay, let's try. Oh no, wait, not like this. Here. Okay, it should work. Alright, there we go. It worked. So whenever we are forcefully providing that the price, new prices, I mean the current price is 100 after it's stored in the prices JSON, and that's why it's calling some function with the current price, I mean the new price lowered one. And in this function you basically can do anything like sending bots. If you have a Telegram bot, you can just send it from this function. If you want a video on that, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make video on that. So that's the whole code. I think it's 55 lines, including this one, like that. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Here. Okay. Thanks for watching. And if you have any suggestion or any video suggestion, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload daily videos on YouTube. And I'm gonna upload tomorrow, I think, a design tutorial of a crypto application using React. So make sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching. And I'm gonna upload this to GitHub, and I'll put the link in the description. So make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. Good night. It's night time here. Bye.